Hey everyone, welcome back with another session of social studies. So today we will continue the same chapter, that is Congo, the land of forests. Now in the previous session we have already discussed about the location and size of Congo, along with that the climatic condition and the different kinds of vegetation that are available in the DR of the Congo. Alright, so today we will discuss the wildlife of the DR of Congo. Now, while talking about the wildlife, the DR of Congo, that is the Democratic Republic of the Congo, is also called the natural zoo of the world. Now, why this is called so? Because of its richness. Yes, this is due to its richness in wildlife, it is called the natural zoo of the world. Now, a variety of birds and animals are found here. Elephants, gorillas, chimpanzees, monkeys, baboons, alright, hippopotamus, rhinoceros, snakes, pythons, this comes under the reptile section, crocodiles, lions, leopards, giraffes, zebras, wolves, and wild buffaloes. These are all found here. Alright, now besides animals also, there are different kinds of birds, insects, butterflies, bees. Alright, so all these are very common in all these forests. So that's why it is called the natural zoo of the world. Understood? Now, Okapi, an animal which looks like a giraffe, it is the national symbol of the Democratic Republic of the Congo. Alright, so basically it looks like a giraffe, it is the national symbol of the Democratic Republic of the Congo. As we have the national animal of India, that is tiger, their one is Okapi. Okay, so these are all the wildlife features of Congo. So next we move on to the economic resources of the DR of Congo. Now in this economic section, the farming and mining, these are the two main occupations of the people of the DR of Congo. Alright, farming and mining. Now the Democratic Republic of the Congo was the second most industrialized country in Africa after South Africa. Alright, it is the second most industrialized country. So why? Because of farming and mining. Alright, now when we talk about in farming, shifting agriculture is practiced here. Shifting agriculture, that means forests are cleared with the help of fire and crops are grown for a particular period. That is, suppose you can take it as 1 or 2 years, and after 1 or 2 years again they move on to some other portion, other area. Alright, now different crops that are grown such as rice, maize, cassava, these are the main crops grown in Congo. Alright, cash crops like palm, cocoa, rubber, coffee, sugarcane, etc. These are all grown in the DR of Congo. Alright, now while we talk about cassava, cassava is the staple food. Alright, now it is dried and ground into flour to make bread. Okay, so it is dried and ground into flour to make bread. Alright, now when we talk about these economic resources, so this country is basically very rich in minerals also. Alright, minerals like gold, diamond, manganese, copper, coal, cobalt and uranium, these are all found in the DR of the Congo. Alright, now since industries are not developed so much, so most of these minerals that are found here, these are all exported to other countries. Understood? Now DRC, this DR of Congo, it is the largest producer of copper and cobalt. It is the largest producer of copper and cobalt. Along with that, it is also the second largest producer of diamonds. Second largest producer of diamonds. Understood? Just imagine. And all these are exported to other countries, and they get a huge profit out of it. Understood? So these are all the economic resources and the industry. So next move on to the lifestyle of the people. Now the DR of the Congo is a thinly populated country. Okay, now a number of tribes lives here, different tribes. Now Bantu is the largest tribe that are here. Alright, previously it was they were also known as Abantu. Alright, Now Bantus are basically tall and they have curly hair. Along with the Bantu tribes, they also have pygmies. Now pygmy is a primitive tribe. They live in the dense forest near the river Congo. Alright, so in accordance to the Bantus, they are like shorter in height. Okay, they are short, very short in height. So, and how these pygmies survive? They survive by hunting animals. Alright, they kill them with poisoned arrows. Okay, and they also gather wild fruits and nuts. Understood? So they make huts on the trees with bamboos as we make our homes. So they make their huts on the trees with the help of bamboos, so that the animals cannot attack them at night also or in the daytime. So that's why they make their huts on the trees. Okay. Now since the weather is very hot and humid, they do not wear many clothes. So it may feel like very laughing stuff, but this is the fact. As they are in the equatorial areas, so weather is very hot and humid, and they do not wear many clothes. So they are very primitive, but they enjoy singing and dancing like us. Alright, they like singing and dancing like us. See the pictures here. Okay, now some informative portions. That is, the official language of the DR of Congo is French. Although they have lots of regional languages, but still the official language is French. As you can call it, as it was a Belgium colony for many years, so that's why French become their official language. Alright, now about 80% of the population of the DR of Congo lives in villages. So they don't have many cities and metropolitan cities and towns as we have. They have lesser in numbers, but 80% of them lives in different villages. Alright, and when they are staying in villages, the transport system that is available, the transport system is very poor. As suppose as we have the transport system, we have road transport, water transport, air transport, land transport. So we have all these different transport systems, isn't it? So it is very flexible in our areas, but there water transport is very common. Understood? Water transport is the main thing, and it's very common in all the villages, in all the areas. Now in the Democratic Republic of the Congo, the river Congo is the main means of transport. As the river Congo is the largest one available there, so it borders, demarcates around the whole country, so it's the main means of transport. That's why water transport is very common there. Alright, now Matadi is the Democratic Republic of the Congo's main seaport. So Matadi is the main seaport. Along with Matadi, the capital city Kinshasa, it's also an important river port. Understood? So these are all the extra additional information about the Congo. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this session. So see you in the next session with some different topics. Till then, bye bye.